So let's find the point of intersection between the two lines. One is curve, this is curve, then is intersect with a straight line, intersect, so we'll use simultaneous. This is 1, this is 2. So 1 is equal to 2. Now we solve the simultaneous equation so that we can get the intersection point. Wow, it looks like easy. So x is positive and negative 3. So meaning that this point is at the negative 3. This point is at the positive 3, right? Now how to find the y is we have to substitute negative 3 here. So it's 1 minus 3 negative 3. So 1 plus 9. So this is 10. So this is 10. Negative 3, 10. We have the point already. For this one, we will substitute into 1 minus 3 times 3. So this is negative 9. Okay, negative 8, right? 1 minus 9. Alright, so this point is 3, negative 8. Okay, first of all, we find the intersection point. Let's see what the question wants. Diagram 5 show the curve and the straight line. Yes, find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Okay, fine. Now let's figure out how to find the shaded region. So first of all, I would like to highlight to you, this is 3, this is 3, negative 8 here. Make sure the point is clear. This is negative 3, negative 3. This is 10, negative 3, 10. So these 2 points are very important. Now in order to find the area of the shaded region, I would like to highlight to you, when you integrate from negative 3 to this point, please bear in mind that this point is not 0. It's the straight line cutting the x-axis, so let y 0. So we find out that x is 1/3. This is 1/3. 1/3. So we need to figure out the 1/3 and the 3 here. This is the base of the triangle. So in short, the magnitude or the length. This is 10, obviously. But here, this one is, from here to here is 3 and 1/3. So we will write the length here, this length. Okay, I'm going to highlight to you, this length is 3 and 1/3. It's very important to take note that this one is 3 plus 1/3. Is a triangle like this, you know. So this is 10. So this is the area of the triangle with the 1/2 times 3, 9. Okay, base and 10. So is let's see, is 50/3. This triangle is 50/3, the area. Okay, now we need to find the area that I shade in pink color. This area, okay? I'm going to find the area under the curve. Where is the curve? Let me highlight to you the curve in pink color. This is the curve. Alright, this is the curve. If I integrate under the curve, I will get this area plus the triangle. So later on, I have to minus out this triangle to get the area of the shaded in yellow color. This one. Okay, so now I'm going to find the area. Okay, let me show you how to find the area. We have the area for a triangle already, right? Triangle, we have 50/3. Now I'm going to show you how to find this area, negative 3. Here is how to find this point. Is the curve cutting at the x-axis, so we have to quickly find the okay, shift. Okay, we have to find the intercept for the curve. So there are 2. Here is 2. So here will be negative 5, but I don't think we use negative 5. Okay, so that means we have to integrate from negative 3 to 2. This is 2, right? for this one, for this curve. If we integrate, we get this area. Then later we have to minus out the triangle. So now let's integrate negative 3 to 2 for the curve tan minus 3x minus x squared dx. Okay, let's integrate the curve negative 3, right? So we get 10x minus 3x squared over 2 minus x 3 over 3, and then we will substitute negative 3 to 2, right? So the area for the curve is equal to 10 times 2 minus 3, 4, this is 12 divided by 2, 6. This one is 8 over 3, then minus bracket, don't forget. This is must be very careful. This is negative 30. This one is square, so it will be positive 9 minus 20, still minus 27 over 2. This one, okay, we have to be very careful. It's a minus, and here is negative 3 cube, so it's negative 9, so it will be plus 9. Negative 27 over 3 will be negative 9, with a negative here it will be plus 9, so be very careful. So area is equal to 20 minus 6 minus 8 over 3, and then these two negative, okay, negative, let's negative 21 plus 21, here plus 27 over 2. So if you plug into the calculator, let's plug into the calculator, we have 41, we have 14 minus, we have 14 minus 8 over 3 plus 21 plus 27 over, okay, plus 21 again, 14 minus 8 over 3, right, plus 21, and then plus again 27 over 2, so we will get 275 over 6. Alright, this area under the curve. The red color one is 275 over 6. The triangle we get is just now is 50. The triangle is 50 over 3. Now this part, right? Now this part need to be very careful. We have to be very careful. You know why? See, I'm going to show you. The curve is here, right? Under the curve is here. This one is just now we have 3. So we need to find out this blue color. I'll make it green color. This green color. This is under the curve. It is not a triangle. It's a curve. So that means for the green area, this is, we have to integrate from 2 to 3. For the answer that we integrate just now is, okay, we can use back this one. It's just that the limit now will be changed, 10x, right? We can use just now the one. So x, okay, let's integrate again. 10 minus 3x minus x squared dx. So I'm going to show you how to find the area for the green one, which is under the curve. This area A2 is equal to 10x minus 3x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 from the 2 to 3. So let's do it now here. 30 minus, this is 3, 9, 27 over 2, 27 over 3, 9, minus, be very careful because it's a negative. I'm going to use a red color so that I will be very careful. Alright, so it's 20, and then this one is 6, right? 4, 12 divided by 2, 6, 8 over 3. Okay, this part you will expect the area be negative. See, 30 minus 27 over 2 minus 9. This one is 14 minus 14. This one is plus 8 over 3. Now let's press into the calculator. Okay, I let 30 minus 20. 23. 30 minus 23, right? 30 minus 23, we get 7. 7 minus 27 over 2. And then we plus 8 over 3. We get negative. The answer is negative 23 over 6. Where got area negative? We need to make it positive modulus. Alright. This part is area under the curve. The green one is 23 over 6 in terms of the area. Right? Area must be positive. Now I want you to focus to this one. Okay, I'm going to use this color. See not? Right. So we want to find the area which is a triangle, right? Okay. Use the pink color. This one. Okay, I want to find this triangle. Alright, then I minus the green area. The triangle now, see, this is 1 over 3. This is 3, right? So this part, the height is 8, negative 8, but we consider 8. So the triangle looks like this. This one is 8. This one is 3 minus 1/3 is the base. So the area here for the triangle is 1 over 2 times 9, 8 over 3 times 8, right? So it's 32 over 3, you know, the triangle in pink color. So the triangle in pink color have to minus out this one, 23 over 6. So now the total area, let's find the total area. 275 over 6 minus this area under the curve minus 32 over 3. Okay, plus the curve is the triangle first. Okay, the triangle, where is the triangle? The triangle is 32 over 3, right? Minus 32 over 3. Okay, 50 over 3 first. Conclusion is 50 over 3 plus 32 over 3 minus out 23 over 6. This is our answer. So it's 275. Let's press the calculator. Over 6 minus 50 over 3 plus 32 over 3 minus out 23 over 6. Remember, this is the area that we got 36 units square, right? So we need to be very careful when we find the area. Again, I highlight to you. This one is, okay, let me highlight to you. The yellow one, this yellow one, area under the curve is this much, 275 over 6. And then this triangle, area for the triangle, let me highlight in green color. This triangle, okay, is 50 over 3. So we have to minus out. Minus 50 over 3. And then I choose this one, the pink color triangle. Minus out area for the triangle is here 32 over 3. How to find? That is the base, that is the height, 1 over 2 base and height. And I need to minus out area under the curve. This is the area under the curve. Integrate from 2 to 3, right? We will get the answer which is negative, but we must make it positive, right? So this one, you have to take the triangle, the pink color triangle, minus out area under the curve. Alright, so finally we'll get this answer which is 36 units. Let's see the answer scheme for the part B. First of all, if you find the point 1/3 here, 0, 2, 0, all these are important points. And then we have 2, and then here is negative, this is -5, right? So now we are going to find the point of intersection. This is a 3, -3, 10. This is the 3, -8, the point, and you integrate. When you integrate from -3 to, let me show. If you integrate from -3 to 2, you will get the area under the curve. -3 to 2 here, area under the curve, and you minus out the triangle. The triangle is here. This is 3 plus 1/3, the base 3 plus 1/3, and this is a height, which is 10. Follow the point here, you will get the triangle in purple color. So because we just want the shaded region, so we need to minus out. And then for the down part, for the down one, we have to find the area for the triangle here. Okay, for the down one, let me show you. We are going to find the area for this triangle. Okay, area for this triangle, and then let me enlarge and show you. We are going to find the area for this triangle, which is in blue color. This is 8, this is 3, this part is 3 minus 1/3, right? Why? Because the base is until here is 1/3. We want this base, right? And then this is a height, right? So now we want to find the area for the triangle first, which is this one. This is the area, and then minus area under the curve, which is this portion. I'm going to highlight in yellow color, right? So this is the area that I'm going to show you, this one. Okay, let me erase this thing. So I'm going to show you this portion is area under the curve, right? This is curve from 2 to 3. Why? Because as you can see, this one is a curve. This is the x-axis. So this is 3. So this portion is under the curve, right? Okay, so because the curve is here, it's under the curve. So I'm going to show you using the arrow. If you are standing here, is under the curve, this part. Okay, so you have to minus from 2 to 3. So integration from 2 to 3, but you will get -23/6. So you must make it positive because it's a modulus. So finally you will get the answer, which is actually 275/6 minus 50/3, and then you have to plus the triangle. Just now is 32/3 minus the area under the curve, which is actually modulus. There is a negative, but we make it positive. So your answer you get will be equivalent to 36 units square. Alright, so be very careful when you do this one. You need to be very careful with many concepts. Example, area which is negative must be modulus it before you minus. Okay, that's all my sharing about the area under the curve, which is rather challenging. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.